Going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, because I am, okay, so I hope that you are having one too. So guys, today we are going to review UnoRe, which is standing for Reinsurance. Really cool platform, really cool project, and they also have some cool staking, guys, okay? And you know that I'm a big fan of staking, because, well, simply you let your money work for you, and this is something that is really cool, right? You don't need to do anything. Like, money brings you more money. Like, that's pretty cool, okay? So anyways, we are going to be reviewing them today. I'm also going to show you how this staking works, okay? Because you know that I'm always trying to show you everything that I get into personally as well. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. And they also have their own token, which is fully listed and tracked. We can go over that in a second, because I actually want to talk about it too. Anyways, before we jump into the video, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can get right into it. So guys, UnoRe has been built by an award-winning team. We insure your insurance providers, and we'll speak about the team as well, because it is truly an award-winning team with some pretty influential people. So we will get into that in the later stage of the video. I would be really happy if you can leave a like here, and if you can stay till the end, because there is really a lot of content today to simply talk through, and yeah, it would be appreciated if you guys can stay till the end and watch it. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So in the past month, UnoRe launched its cohort in which comprised of 3 protocols, okay? So there is Rocket Vault, there is Umbrella Network, and Tidal Finance. And UnoRe's first phase is strategically divided into cohorts, with each cohort housing multiple pools. And the objective of this multi-strata pools is to spread the risk, okay? So each pool comprises of different types of covers and uncorrelated asset classes. And asset correlation is a measure of how investments move relative to one another. Thus, in the case of uncorrelated asset classes, the relationship between various protocols in a single pool is diversified, and this spreads the overall risk associated with it, okay? And guys, retail investors within the crypto investment space will now have a chance to stake USDC in UnoRe's fixed size risk investment pools, and each is categorized based on varying levels of risk and reward ratios, and you can earn APRs of up to 20% in the same stable coin. So obviously this is something that I'm going to show you today. The layout of this thing is just beautiful, okay? Like, look at this. And we are going to do some staking live on the video, so you can, you know, get the idea of how things work here, okay? So this is pretty cool, but we will get into that later. So you might ask why UnoRe's risk investment staking pools is something that you should choose. So UnoRe is basically way better when it comes to this staking, comparing them to the competitors, since they diversify that risk, and basically they are doing some cool things. Guys, some key things that I want to mention as well is that UnoRe is the first reinsurance risk trading in DeFi powered by Polkadot. In a few weeks, UnoRe will launch the V2 of the dApp, where users can stake and earn rewards in the native token, which is Uno, and then by the end of Q4 the platform will launch the first risk-based DEX, where users can trade in one of the safest asset classes. By early next year, UnoRe would have its own community DAO, hence truly being decentralized. So this is pretty amazing, in my opinion at least. And we will get into the staking in a second. First of all, let's go through the website as well, so you can get the best idea of what we are actually having a look at today. They also have fully released a white paper with 38 pages. Of course, you have the table of contents where you can check particular thing that interests you, and then from here you can basically go to the page which you want to check. Everything is clear here, explained pretty well. In case you want to translate it to your own native language, it's absolutely possible. As you can see, you can copy the text, whereas in multiple white papers that I have been having a look at, it wasn't possible. Those guys made sure that you can easily copy that and simply translate it to your own native language, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, they have a really detailed white paper overall. I just wanted to mention that. I think it's worth mentioning. So what is reinsurance? Reinsurance is also known as insurance for insurance companies. Sounds complicated? It is not actually that complicated. So reinsurance is the practice whereby insurers transfer portions of their risk portfolios to other parties to reduce the likelihood of having to pay a large obligation resulting from an insurance claim. The option to trade in this highly profitable market is currently controlled by a few large corporations. UnoRe will be a first of its kind platform, allowing the average users to reap the rewards of trading and investing in this risk, which is pretty cool. You have a little scheme here drawn how everything works here, right? How the reinsurance company works when it comes to insuring the insurance companies, that kind of stuff. So that's basically that. And then they have some cool products in development. As you can see, they are aiming for multiple industries. They are aiming for crypto, providing crypto-based reinsurance products with a second layer of protection. Travel, one of the most profitable insurance verticals, will now be open to all. Health, one of the largest volume-based premium reward products, and parameter-based products define when you get rewarded instantly. Then you have a whole UnoRe ecosystem, as you can see. As you navigate through today's rapidly changing market, your best ally is a partner who brings deep expertise and shares valuable knowledge, allowing you to form an independent view of risk, because insight uncovers new opportunities. Absolutely, I can agree here. Risk trading in the insurance market has been controlled by a few elite companies for over 300 years. We are disrupting the industry and bringing it to the masses. So you have an explanation how UnoRe is for traders. There are tons of markets for stock trading. Now is there a market for trading risk? UnoRe for investors, as you can see, UnoRe for innovators. So pretty cool. And you can also check out those here, okay, in development. So if you want to check out the demo, you can contact them and you might get it. So how does the UnoRe platform work? You have a whole another pretty cool animation here, which is basically showing you how the whole platform works, and they are also backed by Polkadot, as you can see, which is pretty cool. You have all the pull factories, which we'll go into in a second. And now, guys, we are in the roadmap section, which, as you can see, looks pretty exciting. We will have some cool things that are going to be launched and developed in Q4 2021, as well as in whole 2022. You can check those out. Those are some applications, okay, some platforms for web, for mobile, so key apps that are being developed. Really cool to see that. And then we can move into the founding team and their awards, okay? So as I said, the team is absolutely amazing here, okay? You can also check out their previous employers. They are pretty transparent about everything. As you can see, we have a nice key points about CEO as well as CTO. We have the founder awards, where they have been won, what kind of awards they were, and where they have been won. So as you can see, we have some from Dubai, worldwide as well, and from India, which is pretty cool. And you have LinkedIn's of those people, so you can also check them out from the business side, okay, and their biographies. They have been mentioned in press as well. So this kind of shows you the scale of this project and of this team. And if you thought that there is only 2 people behind it, no, it's not. Here you have their technical team, as you can see, more people here. You can also check out their LinkedIn's. They have biographies too, which you can go ahead and view, and the advisory panel. I mean, as well, pretty experienced guys here, okay? As you can see, I mean, you have their companies that they have been working in, and it kind of speaks for itself, okay? So the team absolutely huge here, absolutely key. And yeah, let's now move on into the staking, because that's what I wanted to show you at the first place. So if you go to app.unore.io, which link to will be down below in the description, so you can easily access it, you can stake your USDC, okay? And I will be showing you how to do it. We will also stake some of these, because why not, okay? So first of all, you can choose which pool you want to go into. You have Zeus, you have Athena, and you have Artemis. And then those, you know, are different from each other because they have different APRs, as well as different maximum earnings, expected claims, and risk score, okay? You can check out the risk scores here. For example, the Zeus one has 64% risk score. So as I'm saying, like all of them are different from each other, and I decided to go in two different ones today. We will definitely go to the Zeus, and I'm wondering which one we are going to get into as well, maybe Athena actually. So yeah, first of all, if you want to get started, you need to connect your Metamask wallet. It's pretty simple, you just click on connect. As you can see, I got mine connected. Then you have to give your email so you can get notifications and that kind of stuff to basically connect it to your account. It's also pretty simple, I mean, you just type out your email, and then if you want to get started, you just choose the pool. So as I said, in my case it will be Zeus. You click on stake now, and then you have how much USDC you have in your wallet. It is also it's going to be also possible to stake in Uno, as I said at some part of the video, DAI as well, and Ethereum. So as you can see, they are developing those, but we are going to focus on USDC since that's what I have in my wallet. So available staking amount, this is how much you can stake. Well, I have $100, so we'll go with 50 here. You hit on approve, and then you will need to confirm that, okay? Then you will need to confirm that with your Metamask wallet. So you just hit confirm here, boom, just like that. It will be now staking, right? So it should appear any second. We just need to wait for the confirmation. Should be any second from now, as I said, and then we can jump into the second one. Okay, as you can see, transaction confirmed to be on Etherscan. Okay, anyways, let's get into the Athena as well. So this one is kind of different because it has lower risk score, and yeah, let's get into this as well. So we click on stake now, and then we choose another 50, and we hit on deposit, and it should be giving us the gas fee. We hit on confirm again, it should be getting us this done. And now you are able to check out all your progress in your profile section. So if you don't know how to access that profile section, it's pretty simple. You just hit this button right here next to your Metamask wallet address. You click on my profile, and then you have your investments. All right, so as you can see, I have total staked capital of 100 USDC, 50 in Zeus pool and 50 in Athena pool. So you can basically stake more if you want, right? You can withdraw your rewards as soon as they appear in your reward section, and yeah, that's easy as that. And that's how you can get into the staking pretty easily, right? That's how you can put your money into work for you. So just wanted to point that out. As you can see, I'm in myself, just showing you something that I also trust. Okay, all right, so now I wanted to highly invite you to their Telegram. As you can see, 47,000 members, amazing community, amazing team. I mean, everything is amazing about UnoRe, let's be honest here. So you can join if you want, and you can also go ahead and give them that follow on Twitter, which I'm going to do with you guys. So 3, 2, 1, boom, I'm just now following them. 46,000 followers here. As you can see, they are posting cool informations here. They are organizing some giveaways as well. They are doing some announcements, so it's definitely worth to follow them in case you want to stay up to date with everything that is going on with UnoRe. Okay, if you want to purchase the token, it's available on multiple exchanges, starting with our favorite unicorn exchange, which is obviously Uniswap. We need to go to the V2 really quick, and then with 1 ETH you can get 16,000 Uno. And on top of that, I also wanted to show you the CoinMarketCap section. So as you can see, they are on PancakeSwap, they are on Uniswap, and they are on KuCoin as well. Anyways, what I wanted to focus on is the price, 18 cents with fully diluted $68 million market cap. So I just wanted to tell you that this is still very early to the game, okay? As you can see, they used to be higher than that. Now the market is down, like every single coin, every single token is down. So they could definitely start picking back up with the market, also slowly starting to get back on its legs. And well, the market cap is still relatively small here, okay? It could definitely aim for 10x from here. It could also definitely aim for 20, 30, and even 100x from here, because they are getting into the industry that, you know, that is pretty interesting and very profitable, okay? So just wanted to point that out. Obviously, guys, do your own analysis, do your own research on that, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope that you enjoyed our today's video. If you did, you can smash the like button, you can subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos coming out soon.